Becoming a successful Airbnb host often involves a combination of strategic planning, effective marketing, and exceptional hospitality. Here are some real-life case studies of people who started as Airbnb hosts and became very successful, detailing how they achieved their success and where they did it. Case study 1, the Miller family in Joshua Tree, California. The Miller family decided to transform their property in Joshua Tree, California into a vacation rental on Airbnb. They started with a single listing, focusing on creating a unique and memorable experience for guests. The Millers designed their rental with a unique desert-themed aesthetic that matched the local environment and attracted tourists looking for a distinctive stay. They added artistic touches, such as locally sourced decor and custom furniture, to enhance the property's appeal. They prioritized exceptional hospitality, including personalized welcome notes, local snacks, and detailed guides to the area's attractions. They made themselves available for questions and assistance, ensuring a high level of guest satisfaction. The Millers utilized professional photography to highlight the property's unique features. They actively promoted their listing on social media platforms and encouraged guests to share their experiences online. The Millers' efforts paid off, and their property quickly became one of the most popular rentals in Joshua Tree. They expanded their business by purchasing additional properties and applying the same successful strategies, eventually managing multiple high-demand listings. Case study 2, Ziona McIntyre in Boulder, Colorado. Ziona McIntyre started her journey as an Airbnb host in Boulder, Colorado, by renting out a room in her apartment. Her goal was to generate extra income while maintaining her full-time job. Ziona reinvested her earnings into acquiring more properties and creating additional listings. She diversified her portfolio by managing properties in different locations, including urban and rural areas. She optimized her listings by using SEO-friendly descriptions and competitive pricing strategies. Ziona ensured her properties were always clean, well-maintained, and equipped with amenities that guests valued, such as high-speed internet and comfortable bedding. Ziona networked with other local hosts to share tips and resources. She formed partnerships with cleaning services and local businesses to streamline operations and enhance guest experiences. Ziona's meticulous approach and dedication to providing excellent service helped her grow from a single-room rental to managing a portfolio of high-performing properties. She became a recognized expert in the short-term rental market and now offers coaching and consulting services to other aspiring hosts. Case study 3, Richard Fertig in Miami, Florida. Richard Fertig entered the Airbnb market in Miami, Florida with a focus on luxury rentals. He saw an opportunity to cater to high-end travelers seeking upscale accommodations. Targeting the luxury market, Richard invested in premium properties with high-end amenities such as private pools, home theaters, and concierge services. He furnished the properties with luxurious decor and provided top-notch guest services. Building a brand, he created a strong brand identity for his rental business, emphasizing quality and exclusivity. Richard used professional branding techniques, including a well-designed website and consistent social media presence. Dynamic pricing. Richard implemented dynamic pricing strategies to maximize revenue During peak seasons and special events, he used data analytics to adjust prices based on demand, competition, and market trends. Richard's focus on the luxury market and his strategic approach to pricing and branding led to significant success. His properties achieved high occupancy rates and excellent reviews, establishing him as a leader in the luxury vacation rental market. These case studies demonstrate that success on Airbnb can be achieved through a variety of strategies, including creating unique and memorable experiences, optimizing listings, leveraging multiple properties, and targeting specific markets, whether starting with a single room or multiple high-end properties. The key is to provide exceptional hospitality, market effectively, and continuously adapt to changing market conditions. For more detailed insights and resources on becoming a successful Airbnb host, consider exploring the following: Airbnb Community Center, Airbnb Host Academy. By learning from these examples and applying similar strategies, you can increase your chances of achieving success as an Airbnb host.